Fintech Finance, and we're here today in Paris at the TradeTech 2015 events.
I mean, TradeTech's a premier event, and we're in Paris, and the sun's shining, so why not? You know, it's absolutely. Today we're talking about our market surveillance solution. Market surveillance being the compliance need to spot behaviours inside your organisation that you really don't want happening, be they rogue traders or market manipulation and so on and so forth. And the real reason we're here at TradeTech is to talk about an emerging need for very, very granular market surveillance.
Hi, so Phil Wells, I'm here with FGS Financial Technology Services from BT. And we're here today to celebrate a number of things. It's 15 years this year that the Radiance Network will be supporting the financial community. And we're here really showing our new turret, which is the high touch. And that's really bringing a new touch sensitivity, high and low touch to the financial markets. So that's what we're here at TradeTech this year doing.
We're very proud to be part of this conference, and what we're all about is the theme of investing in Africa. We have about 30 to 40% of our trades on a daily basis in South Africa are conducted by international investors. We have very large, very deep, very sophisticated financial markets. For the 5th year in a row, we've been rated the best regulated securities exchange in the world. So what Africa and what the JSE represents in terms of opportunity to investors is a very interesting growth story around different segments of the economy, a very strong demographic dividend that's being promoted.
We're promoting the diversity of products that we have. Everyone knows us for Swiss blue chip shares, the SMI, but for us it's more than that. It's the ETFs that we have. We're very big in ETFs. And more importantly, lately we've started to focus on our corporate bond segment.
It's fantastic, very busy. We've been mobbed here on the Society Generale stand, but it's been brilliant because of the interest with everything going on with rugby and the Rugby World Cup. But you just get a really good feeling about the event. I mean, the networking side of it, everyone getting together, everyone talking, so it's been amazing.
How many drinks have you been offered so far?
Lots, and I've not really had the chance to take anyone up on it yet, but I will do.
Well, first of all, ABN AMRO is a Dutch bank. It is really specialised in pre-trade and post-trade clearing and settlement services. We are a prime broker, but not your sort of typical prime broker.
TradeTech, I just think TradeTech is one of there are 2 or 3 events like this around Europe, but it's just a great place to catch up with a lot of people who are interested in the same thing, all in one place. So, well, TradeTech's a big event for us. We are probably one of the leading execution-only brokers in Europe. So as you're aware, you know, there's a lot of discussion about separating research from execution. And obviously as an execution specialist, we're kind of looking forward to that. So there are many of our competitors around here today who are actually a little bit nervous about these changes. And for us, it's about bringing them on, basically. So we're looking forward to that.
TradeTech is an important event because it brings together the buy side and the sell side and technology vendors, trading platforms who collectively create the European equity trading industry. And it's not, you know, we don't discriminate buy side, sell side, technology vendors. Everyone's an important part of the market. So it's an opportunity for everyone to meet in a kind of level playing field.
So today we are effectively pushing our services around the carrier neutral model. We're really looking to provide our clients and our partners an offer that's slightly different to the average communications, and really it's about building efficient global networks.
We are launching our new product range called the T4 series. It's a trading turret, fancy phone, 2 handsets, 30 speaker channels. What it gives is the experience of a modern tablet with a capacitive screen, sliding, zooming, unlike most of the other competitors. We do promote our feature set that goes beyond just voice and telephony.
If you think about it, most successful market participants are using what's known as a managed network as a service model. This is adaptive on-demand connectivity throughout the trade lifecycle and across asset classes. And the most successful firms are increasingly implementing the managed network as a service model to mitigate their risk and execute complex trading strategies. It essentially future-proofs your investments, especially because you can focus on your core competence of alpha generation as opposed to worrying about technology, and you can also reduce your operational and capital expenses. So it's got a lot of benefits. It's low total cost of ownership, and it future-proofs your technology investments.
We're the fiber owner of the infrastructure in Russia, Europe, and Russian Far East. So we're offering the lowest latency circuits from Europe into Asia, from Europe to Middle East, and from Europe to Russia.
We are promoting DMA to more than 30 markets, and this is we are the broker who is specializing in electronic access, and our highest specialty is Russian market, DMA to all parts of it.
The main thing we're promoting is Latin America. We're encouraging people from Europe to invest, like countries like Mexico, Brazil, and Chile. GBM has office in those cities, but I think there are really good opportunities down in Latin America.
It's not really a new theme, but whilst we have price-time priority markets, latency matters, and what we manufacture are fixed engines which are very low latency, and we've recently announced that we've taken that and taken it from being a pure software process to a hybrid process, which is partly running on an FPGA, partly running in software, and that allows our generic fixed engines to go from being 15 microseconds down to about 5 microseconds.
BSO is specializing in Ethernet low latency routes for the financial community. We are specialized in emerging market and Europe to Asia, as we solve a lot of problems in terms of latency, but in terms of reliability as well.
Azul makes Java virtual machines. What we make is really useful across a very broad spectrum of industries, but specifically in trading, the latency sensitive and consistency qualities of our Java virtual machines is really what shines.
Right now in MICES today we're presenting a front-to-back portfolio management solution that helps our customers to look for alpha. And the way we address it is we provide a very strong asset class coverage as well as very strong risk analytics, and this combined gives you a very good valuation and performing how to look for alpha on the markets, which is very difficult to find returns these days.
So basically what we provide is clearing services across the world, and most of our clients, if it's not all our clients, are attending TradeTech, and we are an enabler of their activity.
Facilitator for front-to-back solutions, mostly emphasizing on the post-trade, so clearing, settlement custody, where we are part of the global players on the market today.
TradeTech is the only large-scale equity trading conference in Europe. It's in its 15th year. People still need to meet in order to exchange ideas, and there's no electronic substitute for the occasional exchange of pheromones. So TradeTech is always tremendous fun. We've known people who come to this conference, some of them for 10 or 15 years, and many of them are good friends, so it's great to be here and catch up with everybody.